Hello guys, welcome again to this channel. In this video we will see what are the prerequisites to start building the to-do list app. So the first requirement is that you must have installed Node.js on your system. Node.js is a runtime environment that enables JavaScript to run on server side. If you have not installed Node.js yet, you can download it from its official website. So you can go here and according to your operating system you can download the appropriate installer. The second requirement is that you must have MySQL installed on your system. We will use MySQL as the database throughout this tutorial. If you have not installed MySQL, then you can look at this link and you can follow the steps to download and install MySQL on your Mac operating system. If you are using Windows or other operating system, you can Google how you can download and install MySQL. The third required tool is database manager tool. Throughout this tutorial, I will use MySQL Workbench. You can use other tool like PHPMyAdmin also if you like. If you are using Mac operating system, then you can refer to this link and you can follow these steps to download, install and configure MySQL Workbench on your Mac operating system. Fourth required tool is the code editor for your choice. I will use VS Code in this tutorial and you are feel free to use any code editor that you are comfortable with. To install VS Code you can check out this link. You can download VS Code according to your operating system. And the last required tool for this app is Postman. So to test our API endpoints we will use Postman. You can download it from here. This is the official website of Postman. So if you are a Mac user you can download it by clicking on this red button. If you are using Windows or Linux you can download it by clicking on these links, one of these links. And so okay guys, that's it for this video. In the next video we will start designing our to-do list app. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thanks for watching.